Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Neha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. And in this video, I will actually explain you how law of attraction really works. I always actually explain and give you information that what you give to the universe you get back. It means action is equal to reaction, okay? You what action you give, you throw to the universe. We all are universe, the reaction you get, okay? So in this video I will share the stepwise thing, okay? I will give you the clarity what can you do, okay? I have written 6 points, okay? So you can I can elaborately make you understand. So first point is clarity. Just be clear that what you want, okay? I will give you example. If you are manifesting someone, okay, or your dream job, but you are confused if that person or that job will give you satisfaction, okay? You are confused. Or maybe you are manifesting a person from your past and you are very confused that if the past thing will come again, okay? So see what happens if you manifest something positive, only positive comes, okay? So even if you are manifesting the person from your past, okay, so it will never be a negative, it will never go negative because you have manifested something positive, okay? If your subconscious mind, if it is fit in your subconscious mind that only positive thing will happen, only positive thing will happen, nothing else can happen, okay? So be sure, be clear that yes, you want to manifest this person, you want to manifest a job, okay? You do not have to get confused, okay, that whether this job will come or not. That will create negativity. If you have click the order, it will definitely come. This is the first point. Second, visualization, okay? For 5 minutes you can visualize it, okay? You can use romantic music with your visualization if you are manifesting your ex back or your desired person, okay? So that romantic music can generate feelings toward towards your person. So it will automatically that feeling will, emotion will automatically get connected with the thought, with the visualization you are actually doing. So yes, use musics with your manifestation. It can be your ex back, desired person, or your dream job, okay? You can select musics for your dream job, okay? Any other thing kind of gives you enthusiasm, okay, that yes, you are something, you are worthy of your job, okay? So kind of music related to your manifestation you can search on YouTube, okay, on that music. Then visualize it for 5 minutes, okay, in silence when nobody can disturb you, right? Now third point is no more thinking about it. Yeah, no more thinking about. We all are from law of attraction community, we keep on manifesting everything, okay? And when we have a kind of big desire, we should not make any desire so important. If we make something so much important, negativity gets created, okay, when the divine timing is not near, okay? So yes, no more thinking. Even I am making my videos, I am doing my another work, we are all manifesting some or the other thing, okay? So you do not have to think daily or constantly. If you have clicked the order, it will definitely come, okay? So yeah, no more thinking. Fourth is meditation. If you are having anxiety and worry or tension about your desire, go for meditation. There are a lot of meditation. Even I have made the meditation videos, personal videos, okay? One is 30 days challenge video and one is self love. It actually creates your worth, okay, and clears the negativity. 30 days meditation challenge is for clearing the negativity from the subconscious mind. And self love meditation I have made for you know it is for your self worth, okay? It will create a worthiness inside you. So you can go for it. You can message me on Instagram if you want it. These are all per 100 rupees. I have also made a 500 rupees worth video, that is a 40 minutes magical manifestation for your ex back or love back or your desired person, okay? So yeah, message me if you want this. And you can also go for the meditation or YouTube if that suits you. Fifth is notice the signs. Okay, notice the signs. Signs can be in form of number. Okay, practically if you see repeating number, it cannot be, I will say that even 64, let's take 64, it is not a repeating number, but you keep on constantly seeing it. Okay, it means it is saying something. Okay, just notice, practically what are the thoughts actually going on in your subconscious mind when you are noticing such numbers constantly. Okay, they can be repeating number or not, but if you see them constantly, just notice practically that whatever are you thinking. Okay, if you are thinking negative, redirect it. If you are thinking something positive about your manifestation, then congratulations, you are very near. Okay, yeah. So notice signs. Signs can come in a form of dialogues on the television, in films also, or in a form of music, lyrics, or of the songs, not music but songs. I can say music also, why not? If some music is played somewhere and you are thinking about your desire in a positive way, then that's definitely a sign. Okay, yeah. Six, inspired action. See, even if you are manifesting your dream job or your love back or your desired person, sometimes it happens that universe will try to give you this inspiration that, okay, take law of action in it. Okay, it happens. Okay, it happens. You will get the sign what you have to do. Your gut feeling is your friend, your best friend. Whatever you want to know about anything, about your desire, it is actually inside you. Your gut feeling will tell you your manifestation is near or not. Your gut feeling will tell you if you have to take law of action in it. So if you want to communicate with your partner, you can communicate, okay, for your manifestation. Okay, that gut feelings come. Okay, I am very much experienced with it. Most of the time I take law of action with it. Okay, I go with my gut feeling. If I feel that I should take law of action in something, I definitely take. So see if some kind of action is required. Okay, it will definitely help you in your manifestation. Okay, so these are the 6 points. First, clarity of your manifestation, what is your intention actually. Then second, visualization, visualize with your music. Okay, third is no more thinking constantly 24/7 about your desire, because it will create obsession. Fourth, meditation. Fifth, notice signs. Okay, if you are watching constantly repeating numbers or dialogues of movie or lyrics of songs or in music also, which gives you feelings of your manifestation is coming and it gives you positive vibes, then yes, any sign. Okay, then six, inspired action. Okay, you have to take inspired action for a manifestation to come true. Okay, if the universe wants you, then your gut feeling will tell you. Okay, it is actually your angels guiding you. Okay, it comes as gut feeling. No, I have to do it. Okay, I have to do it. Okay, no matter what, I have to do it. This is the gut feeling. Okay, it means that feeling will come from inside and you will be like, I have to do it no matter what, and that's the right thing. Okay, then you can take the law of action. I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.